Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's get straight into the video. So when setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone, what you want to do is to find the wallet app on your iPhone and open that up. And then you want to tap the plus icon, so just tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then select add credits or debit card from the menu. And then of course you could just take a photo of your card. So you want to use your iPhone camera to take a photo of your credit or debit card, and then you want to enter your card details. So just enter your card's expiration date, security code, and other required information, and then just read and agree to the Apple Pay terms and conditions. And once you're done, you got to verify your card if you haven't done that already. So your bank or your card issuer may require you to verify your card through their app or their website. And once you're done, that's pretty much it. So now setting up your Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, here's how you do that. On your iPhone, you got to open the Apple Watch app, and then you want to tap My Watch. So tap the My Watch tab, and then scroll down and tap Wallets and Apple Pay. So you want to find the Wallet and Apple Pay section and just tap that. Then tap Add Credit or Debit Card. So you want to choose the Add Credit or Debit Card from the menu, and then just follow the same process that I gave you guys above, and that's going to help you to set that up. Now a couple of things to note for adding multiple card. If you want to add multiple cards, first thing you got to do is to on your iPhone, you got to open the wallet app and then tap the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then just select add credit or debit card from the menu, and then just repeat the same setup process, and that's going to help you to add the card. So a couple of tips and reminder I got for you guys. The first, of course, is to ensure your device is compatible. So you got to make sure that you're using a compatible device for Apple Pay. The second is to check your bank or card issuer. So you got to verify that your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay before you can go ahead and use it. And the final tip is to keep your device and card secure. So you want to make sure that you protect your card and device with passwords, Face ID, and Touch ID, just to add extra layers of security. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if I haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.